Hello guys, today we will see about the assignment operator. This is one of the easiest operator in the operator list. In previous language also you use assignment operator, so its syntax is very simple, variable equal to value. Assignment operator we commonly use at the declaration of variable. So the use is very simple. By using that we can put value to variable. Here x is variable and 9 its value. We use assignment operator with the arithmetic operator for assigning purpose and performing some operation purpose. So first we write here arithmetic operator and then it is followed by assignment operator. For example, we generally write x equal to x plus 1 if you want to increment value. So here x value will become 10 because here suppose in upside we refer x is 9, so x equal to x plus 1 means x is 10. It is incremented by 1. Same expression you can write like x plus equal to 1. So both are exactly same expression. So in the both case we must have the equal operator, but their syntax is varied. In first one we directly use equal, and in the second one we use first arithmetic and then it is followed by equal. It is also known as shorthand operator. So here friend, I hope you understood the syntax of assignment operator and example also. Now we go in Eclipse for taking one sample program. There we will use assignment operator. So hello guys, here I am in Eclipse and going to use assignment operator. So let's declare variable first, int x comma y. So we have two variable here and then I put some value there. So for that which operator you should use? Equal operator, that is known as assignment operator. So here you should directly write x equal to suppose 5 and then comma semicolon, and then my next variable is y equal to suppose 6. So here I use assignment operator, and if you put that variable in the output statement you get the same value like 5 and 6. So after the assignment part we will use x equal to x plus 1. So what exactly the value of x here? That is 5, so it will become 6 here. Same way I am writing y equal to y plus 1. Then here you should use output statement. So here I am taking the variable x. Next line, so I just copy this code and here we have the other variable y. So I am checking the output for your understanding. So now you get the value 6 because x is incremented by 1, y is incremented by 1. So we have the x value 6 and y value is 7. It's pretty simple. Now here I will use shorthand operator. In place of that, x plus equals 1. Now you check output also, y plus equals 1. So here we have used the different type of declaration and that is known as the shorthand operator. So let's check output, it will come same, there will be no difference. So in place of x equal to x plus 1 you can also use this syntax, only the syntax is different, but I mostly refer the previous one. That is, according to me, it is easy for understanding. So in place of that you can use this one also. If you use minus, it is subtracted by 1, means you can use any arithmetic operator here. So if you have any confusion you just practice that, you will understand. So I hope friend you understood this easiest operator, assignment operator. So thanks for watching.